Hi, I'm Prem Viswanathan and I'm with Kinetica. I have responsibility for the telco vertical, and we recently, in partnership with Dell, won the award for the most innovative catalyst at TM Forum in June of 2025 in Copenhagen. This is a very exciting project because it was in the autonomous networks category, and what we showed is the ability to break down silos and take data coming from very different parts of the network, often at very large scale, and the ability to use a common data framework provided by Dell Data Lakehouse, and then have the Dell AI Factory, which Kinetica is a part of, accept that data and do the analysis on it. And what this did was it was taking telco data like fault management alarms, performance management data, and so on, and also blended with non-telco data, like for example weather data, to see if there was a weather event in your particular area that's going to take out a few cell towers. Having all that data fused together gave the telcos the ability to basically be in control of their data and not have a black box, because what Dell is providing here is a very open solution where you could take one particular large language model that we're providing, replace it with another one, for example. So there's a lot of flexibility there. So this is a very exciting solution. The judges looked at our solution versus some of the other ones that are there, which are from very well-known competitors. And at the end of the day, we won the award, so we're very pleased about that. And we'd love to bring that to other telcos around the world as well. So stay tuned.